Poor little birdie so dirty.
These nasty worms right here. Disgusting. This thing got some in the spring.
He's starving, Mom. That's what he wants to eat.
Oh, get in there.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on again and drop them down there a long way. Down the throat a long way.
Oh, that'd be good.
Can they eat dead ones? Poppy? Are they supposed to be alive?
They can eat dead ones.
Is it better for them to be alive or dead?
It doesn't matter to get nutrition out of it.
Oh, I think you're on me.
Do it. Oh, they're so much little worms.
Nasty.
They're mealworms.
I would have thought
Want
we
to
should
sit on
sit
the
on
coffee
it.
table? Please don't sit on the coffee table.
I've got my weight on my feet.
She's doing it just fine.
Wait, no, don't feed him. Do not do that when I'm holding him, please, Ryan.
Don't stuff it. Let it give it time to eat each one, Poppy.
I got one for it.
Wait.
I'm too afraid of her.
You can do this. You're going to hold him. Don't do it with me holding him. No, you'll drop him.
I don't want the dead one.
Tweezers.
It didn't want the dead one. It wants the live
Some
one.
water.
Some water, baby. Some water. Poppy,
Wait,
give it time.
Do not do that.
I think he's doing that on purpose.
You need to stop it. You can make him drop that bird.
Poppy, oh my gosh.
Getting it
You
away.
need to leave it alone and let her do it.
You're playing.
No, I'm not.
Stop
I
it,
need
Poppy.
to use my fingers.
Leave it alone. She's trying to give it water right now. I'm not going to even leave this video. Y'all talk too much and then it's ruined it.
You don't need no more water.
Good thing. Y'all both ruined it. Thanks a lot.
You try this. Let's see if things will get on you. If you sit.
Mom's doing a better job than you are, Poppy. You can't even get the worm. Look at that. Is he losing his feathers? It looks like his neck and everything's getting really bald down there. See that?
Yeah, that's the way he was. I don't know. Maybe some ants got him already. I don't know.
I hope they're not still on.
Well, I'm just seeing if they were. Morning. Let me do it.
It's so hard.
But it's not hard on Mom, does it?
That one's getting hard outside because he's getting ready to shed.
Ew, gross.
Let me do it, please.
Don't shake
I
the
can do
bird.
better with my fingers.
I didn't mean to shake him.
You could dig around in there
And
for
that
some
one's
other
hard to
ones.
hold.
Well, leave it alone. Dig for another one. There's supposed to be 50 in there. They're probably all starting to die. Probably ain't very many live ones left.
They're in there.
Ew. Ew, nasty. They're all moving. Ew.
Honey, my little baby. Hope you did a nap.
Mom! You gotta stop.
You were too rough.
It's inside the paper towel. You need to be careful with it, Mom.
Didn't break his neck.
You could.
Right,
Yeah,
I wasn't that word.
Yeah, you did, Mom. You need to be more careful with it.
Put it down. Let me get it, please. You hold
Stop worrying about the worm touching you. Worry about the bird. Did you rip it in half?
Honey, you can't do it with your fingers on there. It's not going to work.
He likes those things.
Is he okay?
Yeah.
He needs to be able to move around and start flying.
No, baby. It's okay. He still wants more. The parents have to work all day during the daylight to keep them fed. Feisty little thing.
Go down in there, ignoring the thing. Is that sawdust or what hurt him?
No, that won't hurt him. It's not sawdust. That's breadcrumbs or something for the mealworms to eat.
I'm trying to grab it from the middle. I think that's the problem.
Kind of hard to get down his throat when it's
Yeah,
in
it's
the
because
middle.
you're not getting one of the
Let
ends
me
of
do
it
it.
in there. Either there's one.
It's the same one.
That way, I don't think so. That one's good.
There you go, buddy. Go in.
Yeah, you got it. Should be getting about full.
Right.
It's probably getting about full.
Coffee never can't even get him picked up.
He shakes his head.
No, he doesn't.
Oh, dang. Is he still hungry? Are you giving him to him too
Right,
fast, though?
yeah,
I think you
slow
only
down,
let him digest a little bit more than
slow
that.
down. Put the thing back down in
Yeah,
there.
man,
Slow down a minute.
I've got a good grip on it.
You need to give it more time in
Gotta have
between
a
the
few
worms,
minutes, yeah.
Poppy. You don't want to stuff it too much too fast. He doesn't even listen.
It's had enough.
You just had to give him that last one. Give him some water now. He'll take some.
Well, you don't listen. You just keep doing whatever you want to do, even if it's not good for the bird.
If I didn't know what.
You like to eat your food real
If
fast
I
and
hadn't known
just stuff it and inhale it real fast? Nobody's supposed to eat that way.
You never watched films on mama birds feeding the babies.
No,
They stick
Okay,
their
wait.
beaks all the way down their throat and throw up down all this thing in their stomach into their